What if I told you that you could buy a candy bar today, but not pay for it only if you still wanted it? That's basically what a stock option is. And if you stick with me, I'll explain it like you're 5, 15, and then 25. Let's go. So, level 1, explain like you're 5. Imagine you see a candy bar today for $1. You tell the store, I'll pay you now, and if you still want it next week, I can buy it for $1 no matter what. If the candy bar price goes up to $5 next week, good for you, you still only pay $1. But if you don't want it anymore, you lose your 10 cents, that's it. That's a stock option. It's a special ticket that says you can buy, but you don't have to. Alright, let's move on to level 2. You're now a teenager. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock at a set price, let's call it the strike price, by a certain date called the expiration date. You pay a small price up front, which is called the premium for this right. If the stock price goes above the strike price, you make money. If it doesn't, you lose the premium you paid. It's like betting that the candy bar price will go up, but smarter because your risk is limited to the premium. There are also put options, which is the same idea basically, but you're betting the stock price will go down. Buying a put is like saying, I have the right to sell you this candy bar for $5, even if the price crashes to $1. Alright, we're now at the final level. You're an adult now. Let's get real. A stock option is a derivative, a contract whose value depends on the underlying asset, the stock. A call will give you long delta exposure, your profit if the underlying stock rises above the strike, adjusted for the premium. A put gives you short delta exposure. You profit if the stock falls below the strike. Options pricing is based on multiple different factors: stock price, strike price, time to expiration, volatility, which is also called IV, and interest rates. It's all summarized in the Black-Scholes model. The beauty, options lets you create custom risk profiles, hedging, speculating, or leveraging without ever owning the stock. It's like building your own financial Lego set. Risk small and gain big, or completely lose your premium if you're wrong. That's stock options leveled up. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe as it helps the channel immensely. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.